After this round of golf, I plan to do some cleaning in the kitchen. Hi there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. Today's video I've titled Keep It Simple. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I've cleaned and organized under my kitchen sink. And after watching this video, I hope you're motivated to get that job done as well at your home. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a special thank you. And you know I'm always so appreciative of your support. Now, let's get in the kitchen and see what I'm up to. Come with me. Quick reminder, if you have not already done so, please press that subscribe button below for weekly organizational videos. Welcome to our kitchen. It's always so very nice to see you. I am so excited to clean under this sink today, mainly because I keep it simple. As you can see, there's not much space. To the left, there's a Rayne Water Softner, and to the extreme right, there are two pull-out trash cans. So all I have is just a middle area to use. Sometime back, I purchased this under the sink storage rack that I had planned to use to take advantage of the vertical space, but it didn't work out, so I'm back to using the old metal file folder that I've had here for the last 2 or so years. The nice thing about having a small space, if I can say that, is that I have to keep it really simple. There's not much area to pack a lot of things, so all I have is this metal file folder that I keep all the basic cleaning supplies under the sink here. These are all the cleaning supplies that I have here on this kitchen sink. I have the Fabuloso that I use on a daily basis for the counter. I have the Ajax for the sink, the Scrub Daddy. I have the trash bags. I have the washcloths here that I keep under the sink, and I have some cleaning pads, and that's it. What I didn't mention earlier, but as you know, any space that you're cleaning and organized in, first thing you do is take everything out, give it a good wipe down, and then, in this case, after cleaning it down with some hot soapy water, I used a new liner to line the shelf there. We're in the garage now, and this is where I keep most of the cleaning supplies for the house. And so, under the kitchen sink is just the basic supply for a couple of weeks or so. Not a lot, just the basic.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out.
Under the sink now, I've just put back that metal file folder caddy along with that other small caddy that has the trash bags and the Scrub Daddy.
Alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to clean and organize under your kitchen sink as well. I hope to see you next week. Until then, goodbye and good luck.
Space, you send me right into space. Space, right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental. But this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy. 'Cause this doesn't make any sense.